Hey! Hey!
What is it?
Finally!
Finally what?
Someone is here to replace the space of cucumber.
Prince, are you mad? What's wrong with you?
But it's the truth now.
Did you see my visitor? Can't you breathe?
Her Majesty. Do? Sorry. Oh? Welcome, Her Majesty. Welcome. Bros! I hail you. Bros, you are welcome to the palace of the Queen and Princess of Cucumber Kingdom. How do you mean?
This man!
So you're your boyfriend. You don't know.
Is this the house, yo?
Yeah, yes.
No wonder it's still here.
Still where? Wait, still where? So you have been gossiping with my name, and he's telling me that I still here. Still here doing what? What did you tell him about me? What did you tell him?
Excuse me! Babe, I'm coming. Let me get something.
I'm quite the guy. Like that man they called you babe.
Child! Man know thyself. You don't know your
Baby.
Hey, can I get some water, please?
That's not what you need, bros. Water, okay? You don't need water. You need something that is more than water, considering what you are going to face. Because what you are going to face is higher and more important than what you are going to face now.
What do you mean?
Now you talk now. Now you talk.
Doctor.
So I know the cure, and that's exactly what I'm going to do.
What?
You my guy.
Now you yell like street man.
No, you my guy.
Come.
Bring up.
You don't know why it's going on.
Child!
Boss, this is what you need.
What is this? Are you sure about this?
Don't worry, let me
You don't know why it's going on.
and taste. So you know that it's not like I want to do anything.
This man!
Take it. Just take it.
You don't know why it's going on.
Take it.
Oh my God!
Kiss you like. You see, that hand you're hitting like this thing has gone down to settle. That is what. That is exactly what you need. It has gone down to settle. You see this thing? This thing is going to be your waist. You see this your waist? As your nothing will come out. It will be dragging it and seizing it. You're talking like a street boy. See, let me tell you, see this thing? You don't just get it anyhow. My grandfather and my great-grandfather, they are doctors. Yes, and I took my time to study them. This man! This one can make you last too. The second one you're taking. Yeah. That one you took now is for like 3 rounds. And you're taking another one for another 3 rounds.
Child!
Babu. Take it.
You be mumu.
Suck it. Suck it.
Suck.
The one on your lips.
Will you keep quiet?
That is it. It has gone inside. It will go here and stay. You understand? No, you see, the thing you're meeting, you don't know. You understand? 5 hours and more. That is good cucumber. Tell you want Come on.
Jesus!
No.
Few moments later.
This one. See your big baby. This is Josie. Look at him. How big to be big baby. Just look at him. When I told you that you should come and meet real men that can bonyo, you refused. You went to carry this. Look at the kind of thing you're doing. Look at the twist. How can you jump?
Pauline knows. God will punish you.
Eh?
I say God will punish you.
God will punish me. I think make up first for any kind of punishment to come down to me.
No.
See? I should help you for what? See, the way this one is doing now, it shows that he's going to remain here until your parents return. You say that it will.
Help me now, me bring him up.
What did you call me?
Pauline.
Polly. Oh. Trouble don't bust, my name don't change. Polly. I should help you. What did you call me? Say Polly.
This man!
Polly. Yeah. I will help you. But before I will help you, put the first on you. Oh, you're looking me up and down. No, look me. No, carry your problem.
Sorry.
Will you point you? Will you point you?
No problem.
No, say I will point you. Will you point you?
I will come.
Fine, now you point you. But see, let me tell you, this point you will not be like the ones you used to do before. That one I will just stand and wait 5 hours. No. You wait until I come before you come. Else, this deal will cancel it.
Fine, no problem.
No problem. We're doing it here. Who told you? Where am I going to? Baba, let's do.
No.
Calm down for what? Open something. Boss, what is it? What's going on here? Go back and sleep. Boss, tell him to sleep. What's going on here?